Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do this re-glass or they got two methods to do this re-glass. Okay, so follow me. Okay, so first one we create the frame one or this one. Okay, we create the frame. Just click on custom system cabinet. Okay, system cabinet here. Then we create the frame with this size. Or maybe okay, this one, drag up. Just give it a size first, 1200 maybe. Height. Oh, okay. This one give it 2004. Something like this. Okay. Then we rotate it first. This one we make it as a frame. Okay. So okay, I will copy one first. Control V, copy one. Okay, this one make as frame or this one make as glass. Okay, then this one I will decrease another 100 lah, or for the frame. Okay, 100. So I will decrease 100 also. Okay. So this one will make the X frame. Then we'll use banner point edit lah. Board B, banner point edit. Okay, banner point edit. So use this function here. You can choose any pattern. Okay, make X frame or X frame, or we just do this, or just do this only lah. Draw one rectangle hole here. Okay, 50. Okay, this is my guideline. 50. Okay, save, return. Okay, so this one is the frame and this one is the material. Okay, so we can press Z button, move it. Okay, move it in. Z button, move it out. Okay, here you can adjust lah. Here you can adjust. As I know 50, right? This one is 50 also. Okay. Okay, then we change the material. So now we can upload the material, or simple as that. Okay, upload the material. This one I'll change the material to metal lah, to metal. Okay, this one is the old method lah, one of the method. Okay, then here I will change the material, but first I need to upload. Okay, so I need you guys have some of the texture like this. Okay, we're gonna do the real glass material effect. Okay, so just upload this picture to here or in the business center and product my texture, or remember the texture, click on publish. Okay, so this one I'll type glass, R-E-D glass. Okay, and the style I'll choose modern. Okay, this one a bit special. I need you guys choose this one called UV high gloss. Okay, UV high gloss. UV high gloss. Okay, so white lah, never mind. Okay, texture never mind. Click on here. This one I'll choose the pattern here. This is the re-glass pattern. Okay, so this one I'll follow the size I create lah, or follow the size I create. 1200, 2000. No, 1100 because I minus 50 for the frame. Okay, 2300. Okay, simply choose one of the category create your own. Okay, submit. This is the re-glass texture. Then after that, click on this one. You can change the material. Okay, choose the material. Okay, this one I may rotate it lah, because the direction not correct. Rotate it. Okay, then I'll just group it. Control, select, then Control G, group it. Okay, real glass frame. Okay, flavor lah, in case next time I want to use back. Okay, glass. Okay, so press X, or you can rotate. This is the simple method. Okay, okay, hold shift button. Or remember, use shift button, select it, then you can move all together. Okay, or else you only move one. Okay, so make sure you use shift button, or like this, hold your shift button, select all, then you move. Okay, because we grouped it already, so we can move all. Okay, so this is one of the method only. Guys, one of the method. Another one, we can use something like this, front razor. Okay, let's say this one I give it 2004. This one I use B, board selection, change the size, 1002. Okay, board selection, sorry, B, board selection, change the size, 1200. Okay, then you can right click here, change it to door lift, so now it become door button. Okay, I'll rotate it back first, X. Okay, okay, then press that within. Okay, so this one you can do something like this. Just right click here, change the size. Okay, so let's say the size, this one I need it more upper, I think. Press Z. Okay, move it up a bit. Okay, exit. Okay, after that, okay, right click. We just change the door panel only, or panel type. Okay, we choose this one, somewhere here. Where is that? Frame. Yeah, joy frame. Okay, so I'll choose the modern one. Simply one also can, either one that look alike. I don't know if this one not nice. Okay, let me see, I remember got one near here. Aluminum with door panel. Yes, something like this. Okay, then you choose this one, choose only, or is it look alike, right? Okay, we can change material also. Change the material to something black color that look similar. Okay, then we just right click here, the door panel here, door core style. Door core is inside. Okay, this one is door core is inside. So we click on here, door core style. Then you can choose here. Okay, you see there is for door core. Okay, select it. Inside got a lot of different glasses pattern. I let you choose. Okay, but usually I will choose this one. You see, big wave Chong Hong glass door. Okay, it's something like real glass door. Okay, so they look similar. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.